Hey there, small business owners. Want to know what email system Fortune 500 companies trust? Doesn't cost a fortune and can actually help protect your business? Let's dive in. Microsoft 365 is hands down the best email system for business. If you actually want to look more professional, get better security, and get organized. And nope, it's not just about sending emails. And watch to the end to avoid a costly mistake a lot of businesses make. Alright, let's be real. When I say email system, you probably think of something pretty basic like sending and receiving emails, or maybe if you're fancy you have a calendar. Well, Microsoft 365 is way more than that. It's actually a full-on business ecosystem designed to help you work faster, smarter, and maybe even a little cooler. Unless you like living in the era of floppy disks and dial-up tones. Totally your call. With Microsoft 365, your email, folders, calendar, and contacts stay perfectly in sync across all your devices. Desktop, laptop, iPad, or even just a web browser. No matter where you log in, everything is up to date and ready to go, so you can work smoothly from anywhere without missing a thing. As well, it comes with a basic spam and phishing filter, so you can avoid getting those scammy, spammy emails. As well, you also get access to tools like Word, Excel, Teams for chatting with your team, OneDrive for your personal files, and SharePoint, which gives your entire team a central place to store, access, and collaborate on all your company files. It's like getting keys to a brand new office without having to buy a single piece of furniture. But, and this is important, setting it up the right way really matters. And yes, you can technically set it up yourself, but if it's not configured properly, you could run into all sorts of headaches, like your email getting flagged by other email systems. Unless you're familiar with domains and DNS stuff, like setting up SPF records and DKIM and DMARC and making sure your MX record is correct, and a bunch of other geeky sounding things, I don't recommend you try and do it yourself. It's kind of like cutting your own hair. You can do it, but you might be wearing a hat for a couple of months. So if you want your business to look more professional, be more secure, run smoothly, and actually make your life easier, Microsoft 365 is 100% worth it. Just make sure you have a professional setup so you can avoid costly mistakes and you can do what you do best, which is run your business. Oh, and here's a bonus tip. Don't buy Microsoft 365 from anyone other than Microsoft. It usually costs more, has less features, and then you're stuck with whatever features that company sells. But other than that, alright, if you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and if you have any questions about getting Microsoft 365 set up the right way, drop a comment below. We're always happy to help.